slipped to the ground. Didn't work out the way that we planned. Now we're just left hurting without those starry nights out inside your car, just wishing on a star. One day you look back and see